Hello everyone, I am Siddhi and you are watching Siddhi's Kitchen YouTube channel. So today I am preparing mixed veggies delicious and healthy recipe. Most of the mothers have a common complaint their children refuse to eat veggies. Today I am showing the way which your children will definitely love sabji. So let's move on to the ingredients. I have taken around one full size of capsicum which I have diced into medium size pieces. Half cup of cauliflower which I cut into medium size pieces. 1 cup of pumpkin which I diced into medium size pieces. Some pieces of yam, half cup of colocasia roots, half cup of beetroot, around 1 full cup of potatoes and 1 full cup of carrot, some boiled groundnut, around 1 cup, two medium sized tomatoes chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 to 3 kokum petals, around half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, asafoetida, some coriander leaves finely chopped, and some curry leaves. Two medium-sized onions finely chopped, some ginger and garlic finely chopped, one teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. One teaspoon of sambar masala, around 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil, salt to taste, and some water. Take around 2.5 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Put on the stove and keep it on a very low flame. Check if the oil is heated. Then add around half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. When they starts fluttering, add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds to it. Also add asafoetida at this time. Stir well. Add ginger and garlic. I have taken around 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1.5 teaspoon of ginger over here. Saute well. Then add chopped onion to it. And roast them till the onion get translucent. After it is done, add curry leaves to it. And slit green chilies also. Saute for a while. After sauteing for a while, add chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Fry tomatoes till they are mushy. Once tomatoes get mushy, add chopped capsicum, potatoes, carrots, beetroots, colocasia roots, flour, pumpkin and yam have to be added later. Mix these vegetables well. Fry them around 2 minutes. After frying around 2 minutes, add some water to it. Don't add too much of water. Close the lid and cook it around 5 minutes. After cooking around 5 minutes, just check. Veggies are half cooked now. At this time, add pumpkin, and cauliflower, and yam. Mix them well. Now it's time to add masalas. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Till the masala is coated to each and every piece of veggie. After mixing well, add some more water. Stir well. Add salt to taste. Mix it again. Close the lid and cook it around 7 minutes more. After cooking around 7 minutes, check the recipe and add sambar masala to it. Also add boiled groundnuts, and kokum petals. And also coriander leaves. Mix it well. The steps have to be followed properly. If you follow the steps properly, your veggie will be delicious. Add around half teaspoon of sugar to enhance the taste of sabji. Adding sugar is optional, but if you add sugar, it will give it more taste. Close the lid and cook it around only 2 minutes. Now our mixed veggies delicious and yummy sabji is ready. You can serve this sabji with rice, roti and dosa. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. We will be back with another new recipe. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.